Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and review to show you this absolutely amazing pre-owned Giddings & Lewis horizontal boring mill. This is a Giddings & Lewis model 340T heavy-duty horizontal boring, drilling, and milling machine, serial number 7353, and it happens to be our stock number 6565. Our goal is to show you how fine this machine is. It came from long-time standby storage and is probably possibly one of the finest 340Ts in the marketplace at this time. That being said, we're going to go ahead and do our inspection with our good friend Frank and run the machine through its paces. Go ahead, Frank. Let's see what you've got. Okay, that was 26 RPM. Thank you very much. Okay, what we're seeing here is a heavy-duty boring mill with the 48 by 98 table area. Jerry, let's go ahead and hand this camera down. The machine has a 20 horsepower main drive motor. 41. Nice and steel. Sorry, we thought we'd go ahead and start it off on the ladder, being a high machine. So again, it's a 4-inch diameter spindle with the number 5 Morse taper in it. It's a 48 by 98 table area. It's a hardware machine. The saddle on this machine is amazing. 52 RPM. Saddle, absolutely perfect condition. Okay, you're 60 RPM. This machine has 43 spindle speeds, ranging from 10 to 1300 RPM. Again, that's 10 to 1300 RPM with 43 changes. Very nice, Frank. I'm liking what I'm seeing, sir. Okay, we're going to talk about the travels and the features of this machine in just a second, but the first thing we wanted to do is run through the RPM spindle speeds.
170.
170 RPM.
It's nice it has a jog.
Thank you for pointing that out. So what Frankie's pointing out off of the pendant control is the fact that it has a jog button, which does make it very nice and quick and easy on spindle speed changes.
730.
That was 730 RPM.
820.
820 RPMs. Okay, here's your pendant control. Very nice. Here's your Sony, thank you so much. Here's your Sony 3-axis LH51 display box. This works with the Sony Digi-Ruler scales. Again, it's a hardware machine. It is also complete with the outriggers. We wanted to show those to you. The machine has 36 spindle feeds from 0.002 to 0.250 Ipper. And again, with the 48 by 98 table, that's delivering 86 inches of cross-slide travel, 60 inches of vertical travel, and 54 inches of saddle travel. Okay, here's 1,000 RPM. Very cool. Now, additionally, I'd like to point out that the spindle comes in and out of the column a full 30 inches. Okay, without further ado, I want to take another shot here, take an opportunity to show you these ways, these hard ways on the saddle and the cross slide, on the back side here of the saddle. The screws, the headstock, just everything in general. Everything from the dials to the ways to just the general overall condition of this machine is absolutely exceptional.
1175.
That was 1,175 RPM, folks. This is our top speed of 1,300 RPM. Pattern machine like this deserves to be shown in many different angles. We do try to emphasize the best possible angles that we can offer here at Machinery Consultants. So from the far right hand side to the far left hand side, we're taking up the amount of floor space of 17 foot. It's 146 inches wide. Your overall height on this machine is 128 inches. So that's 128 inches on the overall height. I'm going to park over here for just 1 second.
Okay. I'll show these feeds off.
Let's do it. 8 minutes and 28 seconds in. Generous spindle speed range. Generous spindle feed range. Here's a quick shot of your 20 horsepower main drive motor down here. Okay, where do you want me, Frank? Front left? Nice. I like this angle here. Okay, we have power rapid traverse on this machine as well. Traverse in all three directions, X, Y, and Z. Power feeds on all three directions. Amazing. And that's controlled off of this lever here and this lever here. Crowding in over here, I apologize, sir. up-close shot of these vertical ways. Absolutely amazing. They don't get much nicer than this. The original flaking is highly visible. Highly visible. All right, well, if there's any questions that we can answer on this machine, please feel free to reach out to us. We're only a phone call away here at 801-531-9500. We're located in Salt Lake City, Utah, here at Machinery Consultants. These photos and this video were found on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. We look forward to answering any questions that you may have in the future. And of course, until next time, be happy, be healthy, and thank you for shopping with Machinery Consultants. Have a great day.